Welcome. In front of me I have the MSI Claw, and I'll be going over unboxing of this handheld along with a quick look of it. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Now this is basically MSI's approach to the handheld market. Now the thing that they did differently was they went with Intel instead of AMD. Now I'm not necessarily sold that this is going to be a better choice over the AMD. As AMD, as far as I'm aware, has better integrated graphics. But like I said, I haven't actually used this whatsoever yet, so who knows, maybe this is actually gonna be better, I don't know. So I'll just get everything out. We have some paperwork, whatever. Get our charging brick, which is a Type-C with this little plug right here. And here's a cable for this. And this looks to be everything in the box. A lot of empty space in there. And here we have the actual device. It does reminisce a lot of the ROG Ally. Like, it looks almost identical, even with the cuts right here. Very similar to that. The only difference is, which I have to give props for, is the paddles right here at the back are placed in a better position than what ROG Ally has done with their double buttons right here, if I remember correctly. But those were like always being pressed by me by mistake. This on the other hand side is there. I'm not pressing this by mistake, and it seems actually useful. Let's boot it up just to see how that looks like. Assume it should turn on. Come on, can you like boot up? Do I need to plug it in? So hopefully now it's gonna boot up. Is there like any LED that it's charging? Anything? Is it just dead right off the bat? Oh no, there we go, there's the LED. Oh, there we go, it's turning on. Let's go. Took it a moment. So it looks like from the box it ships dead. Awesome, fantastic. Now going over the specs right here, it is coming with Windows 11 Home pre-installed. It has a 7-inch display, full HD 1080p display, 120 Hz refresh rate, IPS, touchscreen, 65 watt power delivery adapter, which I'm basically utilizing right now. Maxes out at 32 gigabytes of memory, LPDDR5 that is clocked at 6400 megahertz. It comes with an M.2 SSD, Gen 4, two double watt speakers, Intel Killer B Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 5.4.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing.
No one cares. And that's really everything that there is to say. One more thing that I want to check is the controllers, D-pad. So there is no oh no, there it is. So Hall effect analog sticks, so that's pretty good. So these sticks are Hall effect magnetic ones, so it means that they're much more resistant to stick drift. So you shouldn't have much problem with that. Now, looking at this, it really looks like a black version of ROG Ally, to be completely honest. And the only difference is I feel like there's much more ventilation at the back of the device, so it should hopefully run a little bit quieter comparatively to the ROG Ally. Now, like I said, this is running Intel Core Ultra 5. I have no idea how powerful this is. Hopefully it's gonna be better than ROG Ally, but I wouldn't hold my breath on that. So that's something that I'm gonna check out over time, see how that performs. But for the unboxing, this would be basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.